Hello, this is Chunyan, your Chinese language teacher. Do you know there are many Chinese words that have borrowed from English, and they sounds like English and have same meaning? We call it loanwords. So in this video, we're going to learn 25 loanwords. You will remember them easily. Let's get started. First one, coffee. 咖啡 咖啡 I would like a cup of coffee. 我要一杯咖啡。我要一杯咖啡。Hamburger 汉堡汉堡 I like beef burgers. 我喜欢牛肉汉堡。我喜欢牛肉汉堡。Tofu 豆腐豆腐 Tofu is healthy food. 豆腐是一种健康食品。豆腐是一种健康食品。Salmon 三文鱼三文鱼 The salmon in the seafood shop is very fresh. 这家海鲜店的三文鱼很新鲜。这家海鲜店的三文鱼很新鲜。Salad 沙拉沙拉 I often eat salad in summer. 我夏天经常吃沙拉。我夏天经常吃沙拉。Chocolate 巧克力巧克力 Belgium's chocolate is delicious. 比利时的巧克力很好吃。比利时的巧克力很好吃。Pizza 披萨披萨 I have pizza tonight. 我今晚吃披萨。我今晚吃披萨。Golf 高尔夫球高尔夫球 He's good at golf. 他很会打高尔夫球。他很会打高尔夫球。Olympic 奥林匹克奥林匹克 He participated in the Olympic Games this year. 他今年参加了奥林匹克运动会。他今年参加了奥林匹克运动会。芭蕾芭蕾芭蕾 Russian ballet is the best. 俄罗斯的芭蕾最棒了。俄罗斯的芭蕾最棒了。Yoga 瑜伽瑜伽 Yoga can relax. 瑜伽能让人放松。瑜伽能让人放松。Sauna 桑拿桑拿 I go to the sauna after dinner. 晚饭后我去洗桑拿。晚饭后我去洗桑拿。Hiker 黑客，黑客。Prevent hackers from hacking your computer. 防止黑客入侵你的电脑。防止黑客入侵你的电脑。Bus， 巴士，巴士。I take the bus to the airport. 我坐巴士去机场。我坐巴士去机场。Sofa， 沙发，沙发。This sofa is so comfortable. 这个沙发真舒服。这个沙发真舒服。Guitar， 吉他，吉他。She sings while playing guitar. 她一边弹吉他，一边唱歌。她一边弹吉他，一边唱歌。Bikini， 比基尼，比基尼。I bought a pink bikini. 我买了一件粉色的比基尼。我买了一件粉色的比基尼。Cartoon， 卡通，卡通。I like to watch Disney cartoon movies. 我喜欢看迪士尼的卡通电影。我喜欢看迪士尼的卡通电影。Fans， 粉丝，粉丝。He has a lot of fans. 他有很多粉丝。他有很多粉丝。Model， 模特，模特。She used to be a model. 她以前是模特。她以前是模特。Blog， 博客，博客。He leaves a message on the blog every day. 他每天在博客上留言。他每天在博客上留言。Cool， 酷，酷。He looks cool. 他看上去很酷。他看上去很酷。Humorous， 幽默，幽默。This person is humorous. 这个人很幽默。这个人很幽默。Cigar， 雪茄，雪茄。He smokes 2 cigars a day. 他每天抽2根雪茄。他每天抽2根雪茄。Bullying， 霸凌，霸凌。To stop bullying on campus. 要阻止校园霸凌。要阻止校园霸凌。Great! How many of these words can you remember? Let me know in the comment. I'll see you again next time.